Hey everyone, check out the KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table, perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. This table features a thick, natural bamboo board that is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and treated for long-lasting durability. It offers 3 adjustable height settings with easy-to-use knobs for leveling on any surface. The unique extra-large mesh storage bag underneath provides ample space for snacks, tools, and gadgets, and it can be quickly removed when not needed. Its 4-fold design allows quick setup without tools, folding compactly to fit most car trunks. Made with sturdy aluminum legs, this table supports up to 176 pounds, making it ideal for 4 to 5 people. Whether for picnics, RV trips, or backyard fun, this versatile table suits all your outdoor and indoor needs. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.